My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2022 Seat Ateca. This vehicle has done just over 29,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving onto our screen, we can access users, air conditioning and settings, navigation, driver assist, full link, media and radio, smartphone integration, and our vehicle status. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control and 4 different driving modes to choose from. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.